Have you ever wondered just how many species make their home in the sprawling Amazon rainforest? This lush and expansive paradise, spanning 9 nations, is a world of diversity, a symphony of life in its most vibrant and varied form. It's a place where every day is a testament to the Earth's incredible ability to support an array of life so vast, it boggles the mind. This isn't just a forest, it's a living, breathing testament to the power of nature. A place that hums with life from the darkest depths of its rich soil to the highest reaches of its towering canopy. The Amazon rainforest, with its untamed wilderness and undulating rivers, is the pulsating heart of our planet, pumping life into every corner of the globe. Now let's talk numbers, because the Amazon's numbers are truly astonishing. Among the tangled vines and towering trees, the Amazon is home to an estimated 400 billion individual insects. That's right, 400 billion! A number so large it's hard to truly comprehend, and that's just the insects. When we start to factor in all the other species, the birds, the mammals, the reptiles, and the amphibians, well, we're talking about a level of biodiversity that's unparalleled anywhere else in the world. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the intricate relationships between these species, the complex web of life that links each creature to the next in a delicate yet resilient network. It's about the vibrant colors, the deafening sounds, and the intoxicating smells that make the Amazon a sensory feast for its inhabitants. It's about the balance between predator and prey, the dance of life and death that unfolds every day in this wild and wonderful place. In the next few minutes, we'll delve into the rich tapestry of life that the Amazon supports. We'll explore its many inhabitants, their diets, their behaviors, and the vital roles they play in this complex ecosystem. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the heart of the Amazon, a place where life, in all its glorious diversity, thrives. From tiny insects to towering mammals, the Amazon rainforest is a living testament to evolutionary diversity. The myriad species that call this vibrant ecosystem home are as varied as they are numerous, each playing their unique role in maintaining the delicate balance of life. Take, for instance, the industrious leafcutter ants. These small yet hardworking creatures are the ultimate farmers of the insect world. They cut leaves, but not for their own consumption. Instead, they carry these leaf fragments back to their colonies, where they use them to cultivate a special type of fungus. This fungus is their primary food source, illustrating an incredible example of agriculture and symbiosis in the animal kingdom. Then there are the howler monkeys, whose distinctive calls echo through the rainforest canopy. These primates are primarily frugivores, meaning their diet consists mostly of fruits. However, they also munch on leaves, flowers, and nuts when fruits are scarce. Their feeding habits play a crucial role in the forest's health, as they help disperse seeds, promoting the growth of a diverse range of plants. But let's not forget the majestic jaguar, the king of the Amazon. As apex predators, jaguars sit at the top of the food chain. They are known for their remarkable strength and agility, taking down prey as large as caimans and tapirs. Their varied diet helps control the population of other species, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the ecosystem remains in balance. Each of these creatures, from the smallest leafcutter ant to the formidable jaguar, contributes to the intricate tapestry of life in the Amazon rainforest. They are threads in a complex web of interdependencies, each reliant on the other for survival. Their diets and behaviors are a reflection of the rich biodiversity that the Amazon rainforest boasts. So, as we delve deeper into the heart of the rainforest, we are reminded of the intricate dance of life that unfolds here every day. These animals, among many others, form a complex web of interdependencies. As we continue our journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the myriad ways in which these creatures contribute to the unparalleled diversity and vitality of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest reverberates with the calls of more than 1,300 bird species, each one a unique note in this grand symphony of colors and sounds. Let's take a moment to appreciate some of the standout performers. First, we have the harpy eagle, a majestic raptor that rules the skies over the Amazon. With a wingspan of up to 2 meters, these powerful birds of prey are the apex predators of their domain. They feed on a diet of monkeys and sloths, plucked from the trees with their razor-sharp talons. The harpy eagle, with its carnivorous diet, plays a crucial role in controlling the population of these tree-dwelling creatures. Next, we turn our attention to the scarlet macaw, a bird that's as vibrant and lively as the rainforest itself. These birds paint the Amazon sky with streaks of red, blue, and yellow. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, nuts, and seeds, which they crack open with their strong beaks. The scarlet macaw, a frugivore and seed predator, aids in the dispersal of seeds, helping the rainforest to grow and thrive. Finally, we have the hoatzin, a bird as strange as it is fascinating. Also known as the stink bird, the hoatzin is the only bird species with a digestive system that ferments vegetation, much like a cow. This folivore bird feeds on leaves, fruits, and flowers, contributing to the regulation of flora in the Amazon. Each of these birds, with their distinctive calls and radiant plumage, adds to the rich tapestry of the Amazon rainforest. Their diverse diets, from the carnivorous harpy eagle to the frugivorous scarlet macaw and the folivorous hoatzin, are not only a testament to the abundance of the rainforest, but also a vital cog in the Amazon's ecosystem. Each bird plays its part, each call contributes to the symphony, and each color adds to the palette of this incredible rainforest. The birds of the Amazon, with their varied diets, play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Beneath the surface of the Amazon River, an entirely different world of aquatic species thrives. It's a watery wonderland where the rhythm of life beats to an entirely different drum. In these murky depths, you'll find the charming and playful Amazon River dolphin, also known as the pink river dolphin due to its unusual rosy hue. This species is a significant part of Amazonian folklore and is considered the most intelligent of all freshwater dolphins. Their diet is diverse, feeding predominantly on fish, but they don't shy away from a tasty crustacean or two. Their flexible necks and sharp teeth allow them to navigate and hunt in the river's complex underwater landscape. Then, there are the notorious piranhas, a name that often sends shivers down the spine. Despite their ferocious reputation, these fish are actually omnivorous, feasting on a varied menu that includes fish, insects, seeds, fruit, and aquatic plants. They aren't always the villains of the waterways, as their scavenging habits help keep the river clean by consuming dead and decaying matter. Finally, let's not forget the electric eel, a species that certainly knows how to make a shocking impression. These fascinating creatures use their electric charge to navigate, communicate, and of course, hunt. Their diet mainly consists of invertebrates, but they're not averse to snacking on small fish when the opportunity presents itself. Each of these species, from the playful dolphin to the electrifying eel, contributes to the intricate web of life beneath the Amazon's water surface. They compete, they feed, they thrive, all in the vast fluid expanse of this river system. Their varied diets ensure that no one species can dominate, and each has a role to play in maintaining the health and diversity of this aquatic realm. The Amazon's waters are teeming with life, each species playing its part in maintaining the balance of this aquatic ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest, with its incredible array of species, is a delicate balance of life. In our journey through the Amazon, we've glimpsed a world of diversity, from the smallest insects to the most formidable predators. We've marveled at the symphony of colors and sounds and immersed ourselves in a watery wonderland. But there's one thing that ties all of these experiences together: the delicate balance of life that is the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is home to an estimated 400,000 species of plants, 2.5 million species of insects, and over 2,000 species of birds and mammals. Each of these species plays a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of the rainforest. From the giant anaconda that helps control the rodent population, to the humble leafcutter ant that aids in the decomposition of organic matter, each species is a cog in the wheel of life. Consider the diet of these animals. The jaguar feasts on more than 85 species of prey, while the capybara, the world's largest rodent, is a vegetarian, munching on a variety of grasses, fruits, and aquatic plants. The toucan uses its large beak to feast on fruits, insects, and even the eggs of other birds, while the Amazon River dolphin dines on over 50 species of fish. This variety in diet not only showcases the incredible diversity of life in the Amazon, but also underlines the importance of each species in the food chain. The balance of the Amazon is a complex interwoven tapestry of life. Every organism, from the tiniest insect to the largest predator, from the smallest plant to the towering trees, plays a part in maintaining this balance. If one species disappears, it can send ripples throughout the entire ecosystem, disrupting this delicate balance. The Amazon rainforest, a veritable feast of biodiversity, is a testament to the intricate and astounding balance of nature.